guys, welcome again to another episode of Sardinia in a nutshell. It's been a very long time, I know. First of all, thank you so much for bearing with me in the past 2 months where I haven't been able to upload. And thank you for all the kind messages of support that you left in my latest video, the live stream that I did I think it was a month ago now. A few weeks ago. Also, I want to welcome and thank the new subscribers. Welcome and thank you. If you're unsure about who I am, what we do here, my name is Fatima. I've lived in the UK for the past 10 years-ish, but I'm originally from Sardinia. And in this channel we talk about everything Sardinian. Today in particular we're going to talk about a huge debate that has sparked in June more or less in Sardinia about the Mont'e Prama statues. Are they heroes or are they giants? Before going into the debate, let's talk about what the statues are, what they represent and why they were created. Stop! The Mont'e Prama statues are huge statues, well, huge, they're quite big. They're about 2.5 meters tall and they represent various heroes from archers, warriors, boxers. They were discovered between 1975 and 1979, but it wasn't until 30 years later that they actually, the archaeologists started to restaurate them. Hi, Fatima from the future here. I'm well aware it's restored, not restorated, but my Italian had the better of me at that point and completely destroyed my English. I hope you keep on enjoying my video regardless of the stupid things I say. Bye! Nowadays they are exhibited in various museums in Sardinia. I've seen some of them at the National Museum of Cagliari. They are really good and it's really weird because they have these round eyes and it's like, it's just, they kind of stare into your soul, especially because they're so big. Since their discovery they were called by the archaeologists heroes. But for everyone, for the population, for tourists, they were always the giants of Mont'e Prama. In fact, if you go and see on Google, if you type giants of Mont'e Prama, you will see a lot of results, including Wikipedia. But if you choose heroes of Mont'e Prama, it's a little more difficult to find them. So basically, from 1975, they have always been known as the giants of Mont'e Prama until in June, the regional administration decided that they needed a rebrand apparently. And so they were actually called heroes. The administration actually gives their reasoning behind the change of name in the Mont'e Prama website, where we can see a blog post about it called Heroes or Giants, where they explain that since giants don't actually exist, we shouldn't call them giants because they're heroes. They also say, and I read from my little notes here, by defining the statues heroes, we want to completely turn down this outdated and inadequate idea of our gigantic past, to highlight the light but also the darkness, and to make peace with our past, which is the mirror of our present. Okay. Of course, this sparked a huge outrage from everyone in Sardinia basically, because why change something that is working? Just because giants don't exist? By this reasoning, we should also change the name of Domus Deianas, because that literally means houses of the fairies. Now, scientifically, fairies do not exist, or at least we don't have any proof of it. So are we going to change the name of the Domus Deianas as well? Another big problem is the branding. Everyone knows the statues as giants of Mont'e Prama, I giganti di Mont'e Prama. Why change now to heroes? What's the point of changing something that, again, it's working? Everyone loves to call them the giants, and it has a reasoning behind it because they're big, they're huge, and again, when you see them in real life, they actually scare you and intimidate you a bit. So this, to me at least, seems a little bit unnecessary. Yes, giants don't exist, but what's the problem with leaving giants of Mont'e Prama instead of heroes? The reasoning that the administration gave, I think it's a little bit of a, don't make me swear, stupid reasoning, especially when they say we want to turn down this inadequate and outdated idea of our gigantic past. It seems a little bit like they're trying, and I'm trying to be very polite here, but it seems like they're trying to push back Sardinian cultures yet again. We have a giant past. Look at the Anuragi, which by the way, a video about them is coming soon. They're giants. We have the giants of Mont'e Prama. They're giants. We have mountains, which are giants. We also have the tombs of the giants. Why can't we just accept that our past is gigantic? I mean, even just by looking at a marketing point of view, it does not make sense. So Sardinian people have decided to rebel against this decision. There are some petitions that people can sign. There are some people have put their image, the profile pic on Facebook saying we are giants, not heroes. But at the moment I don't think that this is going to change anything. The real question is this going to change how we talk about the giants of Mont'e Prama? For me, no, they're not going to be heroes. They're not going to be heroes at all. They're going to be giants because that's how everyone knows them. Everyone knows the giants of Mont'e Prama, not the heroes of Mont'e Prama. But what do you think? Do you think that we should attain to what the regional administration has decided and call them heroes? Or should we just keep on fighting for have them to be called giants again? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm really interested from an outsider point of view. How do you think this whole situation is going to pan out? And your thoughts about if we should keep the new name or if we should change it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't hesitate to click the like button. If you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to turn the notifications on so that you are notified when a new video is out, since I don't have much of a schedule, please do. I will see you next time. Azibiri! Boudica, per favore.